Get live AI translation for your church with OneAccord. Step 1. Choose from the 30-plus languages available to translate. Step 2. Create a session with the date and time of your service. Step 3. Connect to the session. Connect the audio to your machine and start. The translation will now be available to your congregation in real time on your branded URL. They can choose to read and/or listen to it. The session host can view what is being heard and make any adjustments needed with our moderation feature, add custom vocabulary, and choose a male or female voice to match your speaker, and access the transcript and transcriptions after the session finishes. OneAccord is easy to use and affordable. Request an account at OneAccord.